Hi, sir, madam. I'm Josephine Butik from Philippines. I'm 47 years old and I have 3 children, 1 girl and 2 boys. I experienced work in Kuwait in 2 years, 2005 to 2007. My employer have 6 children, but I focus to caring 6 years old. After I work in Kuwait, I applied in Qatar to caring an elderly woman. She is 62 years old and I stay with her in 5 years. My routine with her is to give medicine, monitoring her blood pressure and her sugar test. And I assist to go to hospital for her weekly medication. Sir, madam, if you choose me as a good helper, I do my best to do my job. Thank you, sir, madam.